What's up, guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Microtech Hawk. Now, as I stated in my previous video, this was sent in via the Hollow Grind. So, as usual, link in the description. Definitely go check them out. They have a lot of high-end knives like the Microtech you see here, Medfords, Hinderers, Culture Tech. Yeah, lots of great stuff. So definitely go check them out. But anyway, I gotta say, I was really, I love that. I was really surprised at the construction on this thing. I thought it was gonna be, a little bit thinner, I guess, and not as much of a tank as it really is. But man, when I first seen it, I was just completely blown away. If you look back and see the unboxing video I did on it, I was quite surprised and speechless, and that's pretty much for a reason. Now, the blade thickness on this thing is 0.19. I mean, that's insane. I think the Hellhound Halo 6 right here, it's nowhere near as thick as that thing. I think it's probably like a, 0.17, something like that, maybe. But yeah, this thing is awesome. Anyway, the Hawkbill blade is made from M390, and the handle is black anodized aluminum. Push button automatic, of course. But it has this really cool kind of like spongy rubberized material right here as inlays, and it gives you an excellent grip on this thing. But not only that, the ergos are pretty much perfect for a blade like this, and man, you wouldn't have any trouble whipping this thing out and doing some slashing. It's definitely not going anywhere. Now, of course, it has a glass breaker like a lot of Microtechs do. Not the Halo, of course, but it does have a lanyard hole, and the pocket clip is tip-up right-hand carry only. Now, the overall length on this guy is 8.625. The blade is 4 inches, cutting edge 3.75, with a width of 1.25. Now, again, the thickness 0.19, which, let's go ahead and compare that to like the UTX 85. Yeah, that's insane. That is definitely a thick blade stock. And again, the construction backs this thing up. This thing is absolutely solid and probably one of the hardest hitting autos I've ever felt in my life. But anyway, the handle is 5 inches even, the width 1.25, thickness 0.57, and get a weight on this bad boy. 4.740. So it really don't weigh that much. I mean, that is pretty much all blade there. I mean, the aluminum really don't weigh much, and if you've ever owned a Microtech, their coatings last a really long time, and they take a pretty significant amount of damage before they start cracking or chipping. So yeah, I mean, this thing's really nice. Anyway, I will compare it. We'll see. This might be a challenge, but let's see. I will compare it to the Paramilitary 2. I guess maybe about 1 inch shorter than that when looking at it at that angle. The ZT-0450CF. Yeah, about 1.25 inches, something like that, 1.5 inches. Roughly, I guess. And we'll throw one more in there. The Hogue Deca, which was sent to me by Mr. Charles Lemansky. I love these Decas, especially this Warncliffe. It's a really slicey blade. But anyway, yeah, you can see it's, 1.5 inches, something like that, larger than a Deca. 1.25 inches, depends on how you look at it. Anyway, thanks to the Hollow Grind for sending this out. I'm glad I got to see this bad boy. This thing is awesome. Definitely go check them out if you want to pick one of these bad boys up. Stay safe. I'll see you guys on the next one.